Hi ladies, this is the last video on the handout that was given out on Friday, or the one that you got from Google Classroom. So Jorge earned a 9% commission on all of his sales. He had sales of $89,400 for the month. Harris worked for a different company and also sold $89,400 for the month, but made $447 more than Jorge. What is Harris's commission rate? There's a lot of information here, but one thing we know for sure is we have two different people, Jorge and Harris. So let's write that down so we know who we're working with. We have Jorge and Harris. And let's start talking about Jorge first. He earned 9% commission on all his sales, and he had sales of $89,400. So we're going to do our is over of. We don't know what the is. The of is 89,400 equals 9 over 100. When I cross multiply that, I get 80,046.00, so 804,600 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And I get x equals 80,046. So this is the commission. Now, to get how much he made for the month, we add the commission back to his sales. So it's going to be 89,400 plus 80,046, and that's going to equal $97,446. Now this is Jorge's total. Okay. Well, now let's look at Harris. Harris works for a different company and also sold $89,400 for the month, but made $447 more than Jorge. So if we take what Jorge made for the total month, which is $97,446, and add that $447, we'll get how much Harris made for the whole month. And that would be $97,893. So that's how much he made for the month. Now, we know that for the month, his sales were also $89,400. So if we take his final paycheck, which is $97,893, and subtract that $89,400, that's going to give us what his commission was. And so his commission is $8,493. So this is his commission. So I'm going to go back to my is over of, where the commission is the is. Remember how we found our commission before using our proportion? So my is 84.93 over what his sales were for the month, 89,400, and I want to know what the percent is over 100. So I'm going to get 84,9300 equals 89,400x. Divide both sides by 89,400. And we're going to get 9.5% is the percentage of the commission. So what is Harris's commission rate? Right here. If there are any questions, think about it, rework the problem, and rewatch the video. And then you can ask me. Let's look at question number 4. We don't need question number 5 yet. Let's move that away for the moment. All the way down. Okay. Danielle wants to buy a video game. At the local big box store, it costs $49.95. Danielle has a coupon for 10% off at the store, and she will pay 6.5% sales tax. At an online store, the game is $44.95 with $4 shipping charge and no sales tax. Which purchase will be cheaper? So we have to compare the big box store with the online store. So again, let's set this up so we can look at this easier. I have the big box and I have online. Okay, big box store. Let's see what it tells us. It costs $49.95, a coupon for 10% off, and pay 6.5% sales tax. So we're going to start with our $49.95, and she has a 10% coupon. So X over $49.95 equals 10 over 100. That's going to give me 499.5 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And that's going to give me 4.995 equals x. I'm going to round that to $5. So she gets $5 off of the $49.95. 49.90. Whoops, that's not 9. 95 minus 5 equals $44.95. Let's make this look more like a 5 and not an S. I'm sorry that my S's look like 5s. That's just a little better. Okay, now she has to pay sales tax. Sales tax is going to be taken from the discount, not the original, but from the discount. So again, unknown, $44.95 equals 6.5 over 100. I'm going to multiply that. I get $292.75 equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. I'm going to bring this up over here. And I get $2.9275 equals x. Rounding to the nearest dollar. Hello. What's going on here? That's 2.93 equals x. And I have to add that back to the $44.95. So $44.95 plus $2.93 is going to come out to be $47.88. So that's from the big box store. That's how much it's going to cost. Let's look at online now. Online, the game is $44.95, which is about what it is without the tax. I mean, without the tax and just the coupon. And then she has to add a $4 shipping charge. But there's no sales tax. So for online, it's $44.95 plus $4. And that's going to equal $48.95. So what's cheaper, online or the big box store? Exactly. The big box store. Is cheaper. If you have any questions, you know how to let me know, and we'll go ahead and get the answer to it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Okay, last question. A clothing store ran advertisements for a special sale. The store's ad read, "Buy one at regular price, get a second one half price." Explain how the terms of the clothing store sale are different from offering a 50% discount. Use $100 as the regular price for the item to write your explanation. Okay, so let's look at the first piece here. Buy one at regular price and get a second one for half price. So if I buy something for $100, this is for the first item. My second item is half price. Half of 100 is 50, and that's $150. Okay, let's see what the second option is. Explain different from offering a 50% off discount. This discount is at the register. That means it's done. It's not 50% off of each item. It's 50% off your total. So $100 for my first item, $100 for my second item. When I add that all together, it's $200. And then I want to take 50% of 200. 50% of 200. Now 50% of 200 is basically half of 200, which equals $100. So what would be the better choice? Obviously, the second one is the better option, and the difference is you're taking, as opposed to taking 50% off of just one item, here you're taking 50% off two items. So again, here, this is 50% off one item. This is 50% off both items. Okay, we finished the worksheet. If there's any other videos you want me to do, let me know. I will try, if you let me know before Monday morning, I can try and do them on Monday and have them up by Monday afternoon. Otherwise, I will see you in class on Tuesday. I hope this was helpful. Can't wait to see you. Have a great evening.